Welcome to the new initiative from Trade in Motion. My name is Gabriela Castro. We support companies to expand into North America. As mining is a key industry around the world, we help the mine teams to find the right product, service, or machinery to optimize their production and keep their personnel safe. We are organizing a series of videos to show the benefits of buying from innovative international providers to optimize the production of the mines in Mexico and around the world. Every Wednesday, a different technology will be exposed. Stay tuned. Today, the Canadian company ALTS Canada will be showing their technology. ALTS Canada uses computer simulation to reduce risks to business by improving personal performance during incidents and emergencies. Bruce Gilks, who will be presenting the benefits of this technology, is the managing partner of ALTS Canada. He provides technology leadership, business development, and simulation expertise. Bruce, please show us the benefits of using ALTS technology.
Thanks, Gabriela. I'll just share a quick presentation. So our technology is called Artemis, and it's a computer simulation that is used by enterprises to, as you said, improve safety and also to optimize their operations. We're currently doing business in Canada, the US, and in Asia, working with mining companies, and also Mexico and Brazil. What we do is we actually take the operations and we make an electronic twin or a digital twin of the operations. And then we use this twin to either train people or analyze the operations and improve them. And the outcomes are all below here. So of course, optimizing daily operations, and I'm going to show you a video on this quickly, to test and validate response plans so that you don't have business continuity issues, training and improving the capacity of personnel so they know what to do under all circumstances, and also, very importantly, measuring, managing, and mitigating risk. We also can help optimize for environmental, social, and governance as well, or corporate social responsibility. So it's a full package solution, but it's easy to use. The system that I'm going to show you has assets that are imported in here through a spreadsheet or whatever. It has a workspace, which is where time, space, and logistics are tested out. And then there's a variety of reporting that can tell you costs and whatnot from your operations. You can use this system to do what-if analysis and just visually try out different things to see what works best for your operations. What we do is we bring in the information from your operation. Either this is available information that you have, or we build it from scratch. It doesn't take very long at all, maybe a few hours. Once it's in the platform, we can do one of two things. We can do computer simulation training where people are involved, and it helps out these areas. Or we can do computer simulation analytics where we run the simulation many times and optimize towards a solution. And the outcomes that you can see here are reduced risk and cost, improved safety, improved operations, better thought out plans, and better decisions. And what we like to do with our customers is prove the value all the time. So we always start off with a pilot or discovery exercise where we try and understand their operations, and they understand where computer simulation can be used and where the Artemis system is best suited after this pilot engagement. But even when we're doing the full solution procurement, we always do it step by step to make sure we're proving out the value at all times. In Asia, I just have to move this here. Okay, so this will show you very quickly a strip mining operation. Of course, our tools are suitable for underground mining as well, but this is a particular strip mining one. And I'll just show you how the system works. So when we do the digital twin, you can actually see all of the operations moving. So we have all of the vehicles moving around and different water trucks, excavators that are mining the ore, and the ore is put into trucks. And in this case, they transport them to a port. So the trucks back up and put it on a barge, and then the barge takes the ore to the bulk carrier. So that's how this particular operation works. And we would work with the company and optimize their operations and get the right number of trucks, et cetera. But this can also analyze safety incidents. So what's the best position to put an ambulance based on our current operations? So let's simulate a vehicle rollover here. We have a vehicle that's rolled over and a moderately injured employee. And right now, the ambulance would be dispatched from wherever its current location is, which happens to be right down here. And this is running many times faster than real time, of course. And here's the ambulance. It will check out the injured worker and put them in the ambulance and transport them to the hospital. So we would analyze this situation and say, okay, how much time did it take this ambulance to go from the work site, pick up the injured worker and go to the hospital? And is there a better way to do it? And so we can optimize this even as operations move around. I'll do one more quick share here, and this is the actual system itself. And I'll show you that same scenario here. So just a quick walkthrough of the simulation. Again, this is the map screen. We can import information that you might have, such as a site plan or whatever. We'd prefer to read stuff in rather than hand build it, but we can hand build it if you don't have the information. We put in all of the entities, which are the equipment, people, plant, materials, et cetera, in here, anything that, that matters for the scenario. We also are able to manage what's happening through this Gantt chart here as well. We can have the simulation totally scripted and optimized for different variables. Again, this is all very easy to do for any manager to examine what's going on. We have a number of other tools that are useful for training. We can do individual training of people where they're given choose your adventure, and they can choose an action or another action. And it's almost like a multiple choice exam where they can see the results of this. We can also train groups of people doing their actual jobs that they would do during an event, emergency, or even normal day-to-day operations. And we can also do continuous improvement of these teams. So by running a similar simulation, giving them some feedback on how to improve, and then going and remeasuring again by running another simulation later on. This helps individuals and teams to get better and better and better performance. All of this optimizing the operations, your field operations, optimizing safety, optimizing personnel, that's what we're all about. And so we want to partner with mining companies in Mexico to try and use this technology to improve your safety and security of your finished product on its way to the end customer, and to improve your business operations. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to present. Did you have any questions on this?
Yes, Bruce. I only want to make a comment. I think that this is a great platform for safety and security purposes that mines in Mexico would consider. And that's what Trade Motion is doing, to listening to mines, listening to what their needs are, and to match them with international providers. So we will be working together with mines and providers, and for sure, this is a great, great tool for the mines in Mexico.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Gabriela.
Thank you very much, Bruce. And don't forget, every Wednesday, you will see a different technology from international providers. Thank you.
Thank you.